Timothy Sykes is a successful trader who has made $2 million out of $12,000. In this video you will hear the success story of this genius, and at the end you will get the secret tips that helped him achieve success. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. If it's true what they say about doing the most important things in life before you're 30, then trader Timothy Sykes has not just fulfilled that plan, but far exceeded it. He became a millionaire at the age of 20, just 3 years after he began his trading career. Even before the age of 17, Timothy had shown serious promise in tennis and had even become junior champion in his state, but an unfortunate hand injury put an end to his sporting career. It was then that Sykes began to look for an occupation of his own. He did not want to be involved in something which was not morally satisfying, but he did want to earn good money. So he chose stock trading. As soon as he came of age, he invested the $12,000 his parents had given him in trading. They did not believe in his talent and thought that Tim would quickly burn through all the money and it would serve him well. But something happened that they could not have expected. To begin with, the young Jewish guy invested $12,000 in penny stocks, each with a value of less than $1. And by early 2000 he had a balance of $123,000. In the last months of the year he had $800,000 in his account, and in another year he had $1.6 million. Just a dizzying success. In an interview, Timothy Sykes described his trading strategy as follows: "I mostly short mid-sized and very small stocks, although I sometimes trade long as well. There is amazing liquidity and tremendous volatility in this segment of the market. I think it's the least exploited part of the U.S. equity market, where there's a lot of trading opportunities because of the fluctuations in the prices of these securities." In 2003, Timothy launched his hedge fund, which ran successfully for 2 years. 3 years later, the prestigious exchange publication Trader Monthly included him in its list of 30 top 30 under 30 traders. In addition, Sykes took part in the Wall Street Warriors show and wrote the book The American Hedge Fund: How I Made $2 Million, which was a huge success with beginner traders who wanted to repeat the path of Timothy Sykes. On one of his websites, he displays his own trades with explanations of the tools he uses and the profits he makes. Why he does it? Timothy Sykes is absolutely convinced that one has to be as open and honest as possible to succeed in trading as well as in other activities. This is his guiding principle when teaching other traders how to trade. Although Sykes could have retired and enjoyed himself a long time ago, he still trades remotely, runs training courses, and doesn't forget to travel the world. So what about the secret tips? Subscribe to the channel and keep watching. 1. If a trade does not develop as I expected when I opened it, I'd try to close the position sooner and look for other opportunities. 2. I try to trade undervalued stocks that show the most volatility. 3. I look for liquidity in the market and want to see a lot of traders involved in the trade, as they are the ones who open the door to big profits. 4. I'd read each subsequent trade as my last, expecting a price at which I will not be able to back out. 5. The key factors to my successful trading are patience and discipline. Especially this is true for penny stock trading, which often involves false price movements. 6. I block sources of unnecessary information as much as possible. According to statistics, analysts are right only in 30% of cases, and 90 to 95% of traders who listen to their forecasts remain with nothing. In trading you can and should rely only on yourself. 7th, before you start trading with real money you should read as many trading books as you can and try to understand trading on specialized websites. Spend time and money on training, laying the foundation for your future success. 8th, and most importantly, Timothy Sykes was subscribed to our channel and watched all the videos. Thank you for that as well. Don't forget to check out the video description.